What are we doing? Guys, what are we doing?
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Windows up.
Yep, windows up. Going in. Whoa. That's our turn. Here. That's our turn.
What are we doing right now?
We're going in the car wash.
What are we doing, Dress?
We're in the car wash and we're washing up. And the car's washing.
Is it going to be fun?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. You hear the robot lady?
Yeah. She's spraying my window. Hey, don't spray my window.
He's getting Emma's car clean. What do you think, Dress?
And it's scared of my medical duty.
Gonna get Emma's car really clean.
Whoa! Wow, it's getting dirty. It looks like it's getting dirty.
Emma's car gets to take a bath.
A bath? Let's call it. Is she taking a shower?
What's the robot car wash doing, guys?
The robot. What's the robot car wash? Whoa! Again. Now my window is this. It's making our car more dirty now. Hey, stop that!
It's a pretty good car wash. It does it all by itself and we don't have to do anything. Here it comes.
Oh, no. That's again.
We're gonna have a nice shiny car.
Yeah. It's coming. It's coming?
What is that on the outside of my window? Soap?
Juice?
No, it's soap.
It's soap! It's soap!
Okay.
Whoa! What's that? What's that? Water?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Is it a rainbow right now? Oh! Is it becoming a rainbow? It's coming. It's coming again. I want to go in the car wash again.
What do you think, guys?
Good. Okay. There's the robot. Ah! Again! It's colors. It's colors. It's happening. What's happening? What's happening? What is it doing? Oh! What is that? Water! I want to put on that code thing again, robot. And again! Can I go in again? Where's a shower? Is our car done? What's happening? What's happening, guys?
Blow dry.
Blow dry.
Air.
Is there one more thing coming?
Here we go. Car's gonna start rumbling. Rumble, 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 rumble. Hold on.
Yep, hold on. It's rumbling. It's rumbling. It's rumbling.
Gonna come back one more time. Rumble, rumble. It's rumbling. Here it comes. Okay, hold on, guys. Here it comes.
Ah! 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 Can I have that color stuff on again? I want that color stuff on again. Can you ask the robot to put that color stuff on again? And that's right one. Oh,
Can you say all done?
all done. All done. All done. All done. Can I come in again? Not right now. Can I come in again? No. Wait, not right now. Can we come in again?
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah. I want to come in again.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say we had a lot of fun in the car
We
wash.
had a lot of fun in the car wash.
Okay. Good job.
Can I go in again so it could be